Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where and how to turn off GPS navigation in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Our GPS is now on. Let's turn it off. To turn it off, we can very easily swipe from the top and in our menu right here is location. We simply need to tap it once and now our navigation is turned off. We can do the same by going to settings. We're looking for location and here is our option off. We have a few options right here: app permissions, location services, and no apps currently has access to our navigation. Our GPS is now turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.